Hello everyone, welcome to our channel tebtalks.com. This is a place where much of technology is done and where much of the learning is done. So today we are going to dive into the computer system, and specifically we are going to learn about the booting and the different types of booting. First of all, what do you think booting is? Well, booting simply is the process of starting a computer and loading its operating system into the memory. This process happens every time you turn on your computer and is essential for your computer to function properly. The booting process, first of all, what you need to know is that it consists of several stages. One start with the post. Post is the power on self-test. What does this one do? This is a basic diagnostic test which checks if all the necessary components such as the memory, the processor, and the hard drive are present and are fully functioning. Then the other stage is what we call the BIOS. BIOS is the basic input-output system. This takes control and locates the booting devices. It also checks for the hard drive and loads the bootloader into the memory. This bootloader then launches the operating system, which hands control over it. So once the operating system is loaded, it performs its own series of startup tasks, which involve initializing and necessary loading the graphics and network adapter. And after that, the operating system is ready for use, and then the computer is fully booted or is fully ready to start for work. So we have around 3 types of booting. First one is called the cold booting. This is the type of booting whereby a computer is completely powered off, and this is common happening when every time you turn off your computer. So when you turn off your computer and then you turn it on, and then what happens, or the process which a computer undergoes, is what we call cold booting. Then the second type of booting is called the warm boot. This is a type of booting that involves restarting the computer without shutting down the power or without shutting it down. It can be performed by pressing the reset button on the computer or by using the operating system restart option. Then the other type, which is the third one, is called the hybrid boot or cold hybrid. This third type of booting process is involves shutting down the computer and also making sure that some of the components remain working. So, for example, the power supply, that one have to be or should remain active. This type of boot is typically performed when a user needs to troubleshoot a certain problem, and with their computer, then you need a certain period of time to power on and off the computer system. So normally, if you have a certain problem you want to solve, you want to do kind of troubleshooting, and then you need to make sure that the components, especially the power supply, remain active, and then here you make sure that when you do that, you'll be doing what we call the hybrid booting. So generally those are the 3 types of booting. We say we have the cold booting, we have the warm boot, and then we have the cold hybrid booting. And we have seen how booting is done, and we have seen also the definition of booting and why booting is done. So I know you guys, I think in today's lesson about booting, I hope you found this information helpful. And if you have any question or comments, please feel free to leave them in the comment section. And please, I request you, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel tebtalks.com for more tech related content. And then we shall see you in the next video. Thank you very much.